Just start in a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down, string from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs, breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down, turn the palms out, bring the arms up, hands together, and then down to the chest. So with the breathing, inhale, look up to the hands, exhale, hands down to the chest. Inhale, exhale, two more. Inhale, exhale, and inhale, exhale down. And arms in front of the body, one over the other. Bring the arms up and around, and swapping the arms over, up and around. So just continue with that smooth motion. Bring the feet together, palms to the chest. Inhale, lengthen up, and exhale carefully to the left. Come back to the middle. Inhale, exhale to the right. And back to the middle. Two more each side. So exhale over. So a little bit further, pushing the hips away. Inhale, exhale the other side. Come back. Inhale. Now exhale. Keep breathing. So don't push this. Only go as far as feels comfortable. Inhale. Exhale over. And breathe. And coming back up. Bring the arms down. We're going straight into the eagle pose. So weight on the right. Bring that left leg high and over. Tucking the toes around the calf. And take that left arm across the body. And then the right, forearms up, palms together. So you can stay here, or any version that you normally get to, or you can try and bring the elbows down to the knee. If this strains the standing knee or anywhere else, then just come back to an easier pose, or just back to standing. Remember, nothing should hurt. And control back out. We'll do the other side. So standing on the left and the right one over, toes around the calf. And once you're steady, bring the right arm across, left on top, palms together. You can either stay there or try and bring the elbow down to the knee. So squeezing the legs together. Remember to breathe. And control back up. So we're going to do extended side angle. So having that right knee bent, left leg straight, body facing forwards. I'm going to come sideways, so just within your limit, so just find your pose. Now if this is quite easy, we're going to add the bind. So we take the upper arm behind the back, the lower arm underneath the thigh, and we try and clasp the hands together, or wherever you get to. On to the other side, so that left knee bent, right leg straight. We just want that sideways movement to start with. So So just wherever you're at. But don't worry if you're nowhere near the bind yet. That's all good. But if this is easy, take the upper arm behind the back, lower arm under the thigh. Try and bring the hands together. Keep the chest facing forwards. And then we'll come on out. And we'll finish with a good posture and the breathing. So feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. So just see if you can feel the heartbeat with that upper hand. Arms down, and we're all done.